In this video, you'll learn how to change your username on the Bitget wallet. This process allows you to personalize your account, making it easier for others to recognize you in the crypto community. Begin by navigating to the Bitget website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help in loading the site quickly. Once the homepage appears, look for the option labeled Beyond Crypto and click on it. This will redirect you to the section where you can manage your account settings. Next, locate the profile icon, which is typically situated in the upper right corner of the screen. By clicking on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. This step is essential for changing your username. After entering the settings menu, find and click on Dashboard. This section contains various options related to your account management. It is crucial to ensure you are on the correct screen before proceeding. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the option labeled My Profile and click on it. This will take you to your profile settings, where you can view and edit your personal information, including your display name. In the profile settings, locate the display name option and click on it. This action will allow you to initiate the process of changing your username. A prompt will appear, providing information about the display name requirements and limitations. Next, click on the Change button to proceed with editing your display name. You will then see a field labeled Edit Display Name. This is where you can input your new username. Keep in mind that your new name should adhere to the specified guidelines, such as a maximum of 20 characters. After entering your desired username, click on the confirmation option. A message will appear, reminding you that your display name will be visible to other users and will appear in various features such as copy trading and insights. It is important to remember that you can only change your display name once a week. Take a moment to double check that your new username meets the requirements, including allowable characters. Once you are satisfied with your choice, type in your new username again in the provided field. Finally, click on the Confirm button to finalize your username change. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your display name has been successfully updated. This change will now reflect in your profile and other relevant areas within the platform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.